Dr. Salomon here. Glaucoma is a situation where the pressure in the eye is higher than it should be for that particular eye. That high pressure damages the nerve. This is a painless process. It's called a sneak thief of eyesight. And when the nerve is damaged, it often affects the side vision, sometimes the straight ahead vision, but ultimately can take away all the vision. Glaucoma really doesn't give you symptoms. A patient will not be able to diagnose their own glaucoma in the vast majority of cases. The only way someone might diagnose their own glaucoma problem is when they've already lost vision so much of one eye that becomes obvious to them. And glaucoma damage cannot be reversed, so we want to catch you long before anything like that happens. Glaucoma has a tendency to run in families. So we talk about risk factors. Risk factors for glaucoma include being very nearsighted, having relatives with glaucoma, having a thin cornea, for example, and so on. We evaluate each patient for glaucoma based on their risk factors. Some people have risk factors but no actual disease. Having a higher than normal eye pressure is not really the disease. It's a risk factor for the disease. We sometimes see patients with high pressure who never develop glaucoma. We sometimes see patients with normal pressure or even low pressure, and that's called low pressure glaucoma. We have people who have never measured a high pressure, yet their eyes behave as though they have a high pressure, the nerve is getting damaged, and so on. Blood pressure, stress, exercise, glasses, sleep, reading, not reading, none of those things have any effect on eye pressure. It's not a lifestyle disease. There's no need to feel guilty about doing or not doing certain things when someone has glaucoma. Obviously, your overall health should be maintained. You want people controlling their diabetes and their blood pressure, but glaucoma is really not affected by any of those things. Now, we don't just give someone a diagnosis and say, now you're in trouble. We have terrific treatment for glaucoma. There is a laser treatment called SLT, stands for Selective Laser Trabeculoplasty. And we have one at our Euclid office and one that travels to our other offices because it's portable. And this laser works in about 80% of patients to lower the eye pressure as well as an eye drop. This laser is painless, doesn't cause any scarring. It's not experimental, it's been around for 30 years. We do this for one eye at a time, and people can drive themselves home in 10 or 15 minutes. And we see the effect in 1 to 6 weeks, and then depending on how the effect works, we decide whether to treat the opposite eye or whether we need to use eye drops. There are many different types of eye drops for glaucoma, and they all have the different ways of working, and we have to figure out in each individual case, assuming laser has not done enough for them, which eye drops are best, which are best tolerated, which are most affordable, which are easiest to take in terms of timing. And then when we have patients with really severe glaucoma or really advanced damage, where we have to get the pressure really low, we sometimes have to go to the operating room and use various devices called valves or filters to lower the pressure inside the eye. Whether we use a laser beam or an eye drop to treat your glaucoma, once we've diagnosed you with glaucoma, that's probably going to be lifelong treatment, certainly lifelong monitoring. Probably 90% of patients who follow through on their treatment plan will not lose vision, or if they've already lost some vision, will not lose further vision if they are managed correctly and follow through on what they have to do. It is a partnership between the doctor and the patient to make glaucoma treatment succeed. If a patient chooses not to take their eye drops, they are damaging their nerve. The nerve needs to have that treatment to protect it from further damage. Taking it from time to time or taking it just a day before you come in is not the way to take care of your glaucoma. And if you choose not to follow up or not to take your medications properly, I will forgive you, I promise. But your eyeball will not, because eyeball damage, once it's there, there's no way to reverse it. So our goal and our purpose in glaucoma treatment is to keep you and your eyes healthy and lasting as long as you do. And since we don't know how long we'll be here, we know that taking care of our eyes is a lifelong proposition, and we're here to help you do that.